How to choose the best hosting for WordPress. Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you some tips for choosing the best hosting for WordPress. So, let's dive right in. Hosting, or web hosting, is a service that some companies offer to make a website appear on the internet. It's like the house where your domain name resides. On the other hand, WordPress is simply an application used to create and manage websites and is one of the most widely used in the world. They say that 42% of websites are created using WordPress. Impressive, right? If you're wondering which hosting to choose, in this video, we will share some keys with you so you can decide where to host your website and enjoy all the benefits you need to improve your website's performance. 6 keys to choosing the right hosting. Choosing a good hosting service for a website will help you achieve better performance and increase user retention time, as well as improve SEO rankings. In addition to enhancing your website, you'll also have the option to create email accounts with your own domain or have disk space on a server to install the programs you need. When it comes to choosing the best hosting, here are some of the main factors to consider. Reputation. This is one of the criteria you should evaluate before hiring a hosting service since, in case of any issues, it's important to have a quick response from the support team. To ensure excellent customer support, it's recommended to choose a hosting provider with specialized personnel available 24/7 to provide assistance promptly. Price. It's also advisable to compare the various pricing plans offered by providers to find an option that fits your budget for this service. Easy management. Choose a hosting service with a well-defined user interface, easy installation, and user-friendly control panel. When it comes to selecting the best hosting in this regard, it's recommended to opt for an option where WordPress is automatically installed, saving you the hassle of spending hours on this task. Also, evaluate the usability of the control panel, such as cPanel, to ensure it's easy to manage databases, subdomains, statistics, FTP access, and emails. Speed. Speed is a crucial aspect when choosing the best hosting. Select a server where all elements affecting page load speed are optimized to ensure a seamless user experience. Available space. Consider the size of your project and the expected web traffic when choosing the best hosting. It's essential to have sufficient space to accommodate your website's needs. Security. When deciding on the best hosting, inquire about the quality of their security systems. Evaluate whether they offer automatic backups and whether the website can be restored in case of errors or issues. Additionally, choose hosting that can handle a considerable amount of data during peak site activity. What are the consequences of not choosing the right hosting? Just as there are numerous advantages to selecting good hosting for your website, there are also consequences when research isn't done correctly. Making a poor decision can lead to several issues that affect your website's performance and authority. Among the primary consequences of failing to make an appropriate hosting selection are slow website loading times, resulting in user loss, emails being sent to clients' spam folders, frequent website downtime, server errors impacting the site's SEO, reduced website security. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the best hosting, it's essential to evaluate the specific characteristics and requirements of your website to enjoy high-quality hosting services. Recommendation. After conducting extensive tests with various hosting providers in terms of reputation, price, ease of installation, speed, available disk space, and security, we have provided a link in the video description to a provider that meets all these criteria. Click on the link in the description to get more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.